Aquarius, this is the reading for the current feelings of your partner for June month. So how your partner feels, what do they feel about you? So this is the reading for this remaining days of June. We have the Venus, the planet of love planet, in retrograde right now. So please be sensitive to your planet's partner's needs, and do not take any hasty or impulsive decision for your relationship till at least the planet of love Venus goes forward, resumes its forward motion. Let's see what the cards. Eight of Pentacles. I mean, it shows that your partner, they really worked hard on this relationship, they have been working hard and putting a lot of effort in this relationship, Aquarius, and they don't want to be they do not want to be impulsive, and it's like they have put in all effort that they could have done to make this relationship work with work. So at presently I just see that your partner has really worked on this relationship hard. Okay, so this is Knight of Pentacles. So at presently what I feel is that there is here there is it again talks about your partner, maybe they like you, they love you, they see you, they are attracted to you, they want to be with you, and but sometimes they do feel intimidated by you, intimidated by you. They are, I feel they were looking for, your partner was looking for some stability and stable relationship. So then this card, Knight of Pentacles, is the same card. It shows that the relationship there, the partner was working on this is about stability, getting stability in the relationship. My God, all the Pentacles card. Page of Pentacles here. So Page of Pentacles, it's like maybe it is like they put in a lot of effort, but maybe you were lost into something else. You had other priorities to look after, Aquarius. They were working hard, they're putting their heart and soul in this relationship, and they were looking for stability and all. But here again it shows that you were lost into something else. Maybe that is your priority, that is something which you have. Maybe you have certain challenges yourself, but this is the card, like it's showing that you are into another world of wherein you are dealing with some other things which is more which is more a priority than them. Nine of Cups. I think they were they admire you as a beautiful person. They see you as the person that they want in their lives. They are very attracted to you, they are happy with you, that's why they have put this effort, you could give them that stability that they are looking forward to. So emotionally when they are with you, they are really happy. So, and you are a beautiful person, so it shows this Nine of Cups is like your partner thinks this way about you in June. Knight of Cups in reverse. I feel something is changing in between you. Means I feel that love that they were working on hard is slightly it's just not the same. Something is moving away. They might have felt hurt because they put all this effort, and as they might be disturbed with you not putting that amount of effort in maybe, I mean, it could be for some of you that so they are trying to move away from it, like from this either the situation or relationship, because they're disturbed. I mean, it's not that they're out of love, but they are slightly, it's a reverse card. So it's like they put in everything and they did not get back what they were looking forward to. They're slightly moving away. So they were hopeful, and they were looking this positivity in love. But the things are changing in June. I mean, really, they might, in the next month we might just know where things move forward. At present, it shows that they are disturbed, and they have put lot of effort, and they see you as their perfect person. But due to you being distracted somewhere, or putting your heart and soul somewhere else, to a situation or something, they are slowly have that question in mind. So they might just try to move away. This is what I feel, Aquarius. So thank you. If you do like what I do, please subscribe to my channel.